Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Buckle Up, where we get hands-on with new watches. Today, I've got a watch that I bet you haven't seen before. It's from a brand called Toledano Chan. It's basically from two guys, Philip Toledano, who is a widely exhibited conceptual artist and has 7 published books to his name. You can also find him on Instagram at Mr. Enthusiast, as well as Alfred Chan, who is an automotive designer turned watch designer. And he's been in the industry for more than a decade, helping other brands design watches. For this new brand, Toledano Chan, they've decided to go with the Rolex Midas-inspired design, as well as the 70s integrated watch bracelets. And as you can tell from the box itself, when have you seen a box made out of concrete? So it's already exhibiting some of those design features of the watch. So the watch is inspired by the work of brutalist architecture Marcel Breuer. In particular, he worked for the Whitney Museum in New York, and in particular, this window. So as you can see, this watch continues that design on the case itself of that window, and the design continuity goes into the rest of the bracelet, with each of the links exhibiting the same slope case. The watch has dimensions of 33.5 millimeters wide and 9.1 millimeters thick on its thinnest, but then it slopes up to 10.4 millimeters. The watch is made out of steel and shows a stone dial, in this case a lapis lazuli dial. This watch is also powered by a Swiss Solita SW100 movement that has 42 hours of power reserve. So for the first run, they're going to be releasing 175 pieces of this watch at a relatively attainable price point of $4,000, and they will be exclusively available at Hodinkee as well as ToledanoandChan.com. I think there's nothing really that's similar in the market right now, so if you want to get your hands on it, make sure you're quick.